We drove fucking 14 hours from New York, man.
That's why this motherfucker's still bundled up in a nice little...
Hey, it's cold as fuck out here, man. It's cold as hell.
I need some more people to come close. If not, fuck it. We still gonna rock this shit with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 people right here.
We gonna rock this 16 right here.
We gonna do it.
What we got next? Let's go.
What kind of soul you got, man? What kind of soul you got?
What you?
I got a little Cali soul. Hold on, let me give an introduction. Just for those that never heard of You and I, we come straight out of Los Angeles, California.
Yeah.
Independent artists, you know, we got songs and videos on MTV, just doing it by just knocking on these doors and presenting good music to everybody.
Exactly.
But we got this joint that, you know, we like to test the crowd out and repeat after us. So I'm gonna test Indianapolis tonight. I've been drinking a little bit. Who cares? I'm on tour. I'm wilding the fuck out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need y'all to say, even though we're not in Cali, I'm gonna need y'all to say Cali got soul.
Cali got soul.
Say Cali got soul.
Cali got soul.
Say Cali got soul.
Cali got soul.
Say Cali got soul. Yeah. Cheers, pimps, pimps. All my 16 people right here. Pimps, 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 pimps. Hey, look, the block clock after y'all runs on your brain train. Raise your stress level, nigga, pop it, eccentric. Hold your top, the honest, the fucker ain't shit. So now I'm begging niggas heads for attention. Pause.
For every effect, there's a cause. We break science, the motion of laws of motion. Shit, reverse gravity and reverse your force. We don't drive, nigga, we
fly in that Porsche. Can't fly your boss while having in the course. Drop the tick, lost no luggage. I'm sick, hopefully she get infected with this and bring it back to you. No STDs, just California soul. Motherfucker, I'm through. Hands up, hands up, 60 people. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Hey yo, most definitely black on both sides. This every hand dance for my motherland cries. Raise a fist in the air, rep your plot. These sex living running in my ghetto rock. They bleeding for it. The whole world wants it. It's just the love supreme. Ladies love it. My fellas respect it. It's just the love supreme. So a nigga go last. I'm older than nigga shatter the glass. Hand me your bag. Change up your speed, adjust to anything. I'm a rapping athlete. Only the first half of the niggas can't breathe. Go ahead. Catch up. Ladies, you willing to flash? I'm ignorant. Go walk on your ass. Indianapolis. Okay. I think some people could dance like Michael Jackson. Can you do the move? Everybody say go Wyo, go Wyo, go. Go Wyo, go Wyo. Say go Wyo, go Wyo, go Wyo. Give me your move right now. Hey, 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 hey. Give it up, yo, hey.
Hold on, dog, you didn't even moonwalk, dog.
I don't want to, man. The party is out there tonight, man. If y'all alive, make some noise, 16 people.
Yeah, there's 16 people. This is the livest crowd I ever seen.
I'm feeling it. I don't care. If it's 5, 3, 2.
Run the next jump.
Yo, I'm so wild tonight. I'll do a stage dive for 16 people.